Oh my god! Whoa! Oh my god, it's massive!
Is that his eye?
Yeah, look how big it is! Wow!
Look at these ones.
Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back to our channel. Happy Friday everyone! I'm currently cooking turon. Alam niyo ba, sobrang aga kong nagising kaninang umaga. Kasi yung nanay niyo kagabi, nung pinatulog ko yung mga kids, ay nakatulog din ako. I guess, nakatulog ako una before the kids. Kasi minsan, especially itong si Ate Paris, kapag natutulog sa gabi guys, like, she always like, oh, I'm so hot, mommy. Like, palaging nagko-complain na mainit daw. So, siguro nakatulog ako before her. Anyways, kaninang umaga, gising na ako, lumabas ako ng kwarto. Pagtingin ko ng phone ko, it was only 5 o'clock. Anyways, tulog pa yung mag-ama ko. Lumabas na lang ako at alam niyo ba yung ginawa ko? Naglinis ako dito, nagmap ako ng floor, nagtupi ako ng damit na hanggang ngayon ay still, you know, nasa lunchroom pa rin, nagtutupi pa rin ako. Hindi pa rin ako tapos, guys. But alam niyo yung utak ng isang ina? Gumagawa ka nung isang bagay, tapos, ay, nagising yung isa. I peeled apple para makakain ng breakfast si Celine. And then, nakalimutan ko na. Tapos, nagising na naman yung isa. So, alam niyo yun, like, hindi ko natatapos yung mga ginagawa ko. At ngayon, nagugutom ako, so kailangan kong gumawa ng turon. At ito pa. So, ayan. Maipopost tayo today. So, ayan. Tingnan niyo. Itong top na to ay nabenta ko na. And then, there's another bag. So, 2 items yung ating i-post today. Kailangan ko agad ito giuna. So, yung mga kids ay nandito. Ay, kakakain lang nila ng kanilang breakfast. And ang ating baby Celine, sobrang aga niyang naka-costume. Hi! Say hi, guys!
Hi guys.
Good morning!
Good morning.
Ay, Diyos! Tingnan nyo, naka-Snow White na yan siya. Sobrang aga. Ba?
I finished.
You finish?
Yeah.
Good job. Here. Morning.
Good morning.
Ano, wala pang supply, oh.
Watch.
Ay, sorry, baby girl!
Watch my hobby.
Ay, you watch your Halloween. So sorry, baby. Palangga ni mama. Tingnan nyo ang aking mga oh. Dito pa.
A few moments later.
Lunch tayo, guys. Tingnan nyo ang ginawa ni Daddy Mike. Crackers with cheese and tuna and what's the red one? Tomato sauce?
I like tomato.
So, pinatulog ko ang ating baby Celine guys. It's now
Tomato sauce, I can give you one.
12:20 ng hapon. So, ayan, she's having a nap now. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo na. Bakit nasa sahig?
Guys, guess what my chicken favorite?
Parang walang mga mga lamesa guys.
Oh, what are that
Ito
white one
kumain
you
sa
had last night?
kusina.
You know what that white one was?
But
Yeah, lemon and garlic.
I like garlic. It's like garlic.
Sabab. Aalis na ang buong family. Kailangan namin gisingin ang aming baby Celine kasi tulog siya.
Come, princess.
Ay.
Hello.
Oh, Daddy. We are going to... Where are we going to, Paris?
We're going to the
Museum. I remember when you were a baby, Paris. You used to say museum.
Caddy, daddy. Hey, milk mouth.
Look at my mouth.
Yeah, look, you got mustache, a white mustache.
I'm my
Mango.
Nini's milk. Stop muna ako ng post office quickly kasi kailangan itong i-post, guys. And then we'll be heading to the museum. Nasa car park na kami ng museum. Where are we going, Nini? Museum. Ah, where's the thing? They're all going home now. Oh, that way? Oh, there's a lift. That way. Baby! Oh my God. Stairs for more. Stairs for more, Lily. Go out there. Push. Yeah, get the fruit. We'll get drinks. Yeah, ice. We got one before. So I'm gonna get the almond croissant.
And you're getting chips?
We'll get fruit, okay? I think fruit is better. Yeah? Yes.
This fruit. Have some watermelon too, Lean?
She was, Bob, she was looking, she wanted the twisties. I said, no, no, put it back. She was like, Daddy. Daddy.
I'll open.
Thank you, baby girl, for the water. Appreciate it, sweetie. Nandito kami ngayon sa kanilang.
Done.
Okay. I've got like my favorite almond croissant. The kids having to go out there. We have to eat before we go see the dinosaur.
Quick.
Dinosaur, yeah?
We'll just smash it quickly so we can go.
Welcome to Queensland Museum. Oh my God! Really? Huh?
Mommy, is that real?
It looks like it, doesn't it? Oh my goodness!
Daddy. Daddy.
It's amazing! Honey, stand there lang, babe. We'll see
I don't think
for
that.
reference how big it is. Whoa! Massive! Massive, Lenny! Look at this! Oh my God! Have a look at that jaw! Massive! Ah, amazing!
That's the guy over there.
Yes.
Oh, mommy, the head.
Is that the head?
Yeah.
You reckon? I don't think so. No, it's not. Oh yeah, it is skull.
That's the eye. That's the nose.
Oh
Look
my
at its
goodness.
teeth. Look at its teeth.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, it's broken. It's broken all over.
Skull reconstruction.
It's broken all over.
Oh, we'll see here.
This is the skeleton of that.
Yeah.
Wow, have a look at that. A skull.
Is that the skull? Where's his beak? Where's his beak? Oh, there it is. And the eye's right there.
Look at his teeth.
So that's the one, yeah. Yeah? It is the- Oh my goodness. Leaning.
Oh, look at the shell.
The virus in the shells.
Wow, I like shells.
I know you do.
Mommy, look
Wow,
at
have a
that
look at that eye socket.
Oh, look at those shells over there.
Big shells.
Wow, what animal is this? Oh, it's down over there.
I don't know which one this is, honey. Some kind of
Wait, I know that animal.
a fish. Yes.
Where fish?
That one. That's the one there, see?
Oh, there it is right there.
Welcome to the Eromanga Sea, a water world rich in life. Visit the Prince Universe.
Mommy, that's skull.
That's a Tyrannosaurus Queenslandicus. Must be like a thing from Queensland.
Yeah, it says it. Queensland's top predator. Gigantic, but it's not a dinosaur. Wow. Really? Look at that big dinosaur.
Imagine if that's real.
Let's say bye. Say hi, hi.
I'm John.
Say hi, dinosaur.
Yeah.
Can you say hi, dinosaur?
You can look around.
Yeah, oh, there's Jurassic here lang.
Jurassic.
Next stop, Queensland
Looks like a lizard.
Jurassic World. Meet Brontosaurus,
Looks like a lizard.
Australia's oldest sauropod dinosaur.
Giant lizard. Wow. Why is it so sparkly? It looks like a crystal.
I know, right? That's because of the light, honey.
Mommy, that's real.
Daddy?
Hi, it's real skin.
Look. Oh.
It's a ghost real.
Scary.
That's so.
Scary, Lily.
Dinosaur.
There's lots of
Oh my
collections
God,
of butterflies.
Giant.
There's moth. Hercules.
Look at that one. That's giant.
Wow.
Oh, is that caterpillar?
It looks like it, yeah. Cocoon. That's cocoon. And then caterpillar, and then
Where's the
Lean.
Is
Do you
a
like
big
it, Lean?
Ooh. These look nice.
Wow.
I mean, they're all nice.
There's more here.
Sloppy. Looks like a bee there.
Look, the name of these mimicry. Kita mimicry. Moth giants. And have a look, Daddy. It's probably the one that he used. The net. See, it's very old. With this net. Oh, that particular net as well. It's amazing. Yeah. And just like interrupting the operation. Wow.
Look at these ones.
Look at the blue ones. Delicious.
Display of the
Collection, yeah.
my favorite.
Oh, Paris. Oh, that's your favorite Paris.
Wow. Which one?
Beetle.
I do not like beetles. I like rhinoceros beetles.
That's him. Dodd.
Mommy,
So is this all his butterflies that he...
yeah.
Oh my god, it's massive. Can you see it, lang?
It's a squid.
Hang on. I will carry you. So you can see it. Squid. Look.
Is that his eye?
Yeah, look how big it is.
I feel like it's real. I mean, I feel like it's alive.
God.
Is it actually real?
Giant squid.
So it's dead, opening its
Oh, crazy. What's in there, Paris? What's in here? Ah, just the little ones.
Cuttlefish.
Why look how tiny they are. It's like a baby. And these ones are right up.
Look at this, Daddy. Oh, the flies. Collection of flies. Oh, look, this one is the smallest
This
fly
baby
ever.
bug.
What's that?
The baby bug.
A baby?
Baby bug.
Yeah, baby bug.
I
Yeah.
can't see.
Ew.
Oh, that's beetle.
Yeah, it's big.
I wish Tabby.
Here. Oh yeah, these beetles as well. I
Oh,
think.
my favorite.
Oh,
Rhinoceros
God.
beetles. I love rhinoceros beetles
What's that?
because they're shiny. That's what that's. It's like the one that runs very fast.
Read it.
They all do run very fast. So this one, guys, is made of Legos. What's that about? Baryonyx. Baryonyx. Okay, we can cook Harry. Yeah, Bob, it's gonna fall. Maybe hold it like this. Look, let's go. See? Wow. Look. Oh my God, this is hard work, you know? No, touching lang. Yeah. Yeah, I wonder like how long it took them to make this. Where is it? Wow. How many Legos there? Bili kami ng ticket, guys. Ito yung gusto ni Daddy Mike, yung Spark Club. Kaya lang ngayon, no, sold out. This one, the Jurassic World naman, sold out until 4:20 and it's currently 3:10. So we still have an hour and 10 minutes to kill.
Huh? What did you say?
So we just have to walk around for an hour. How much is that? Is that family? Look at family, 84, 2 adults and 2 children.
Okay. Link gets in for free.
Ah, okay.
This one. That one.
That one, the sparkly one. Look,
I'm not sure what that is.
mineral treasures of Australia. Wow, gaganda na yun. Kinang po.
Look at that one right there.
Yeah, nice, huh? Beautiful. Look at this, honey.
Yeah, oh nice.
These big ones here now. Yeah. Oh, look at this, Baba.
I was about to look at that. Look at that sea ones. That look nice.
Wow. Is that massive, Lainey? Look at this. Hey, no climbing a thing. No, it says, for sure it says here, don't climb in the gardens, I need my space.
Don't climb. It says that is not real. It's not real.
Wow,
That's
NAKITA.
not real.
Look. Lini, you touch Lini? Lini touch? Lini touch the nose? We'll get her to touch it. Wow. Do you wanna touch ate? We're waiting for our time, guys. We're killing time here. Good luck sa arms nilang tatay. Wow! Did you just bang your head on Daddy's chest? You okay? Wala, your nose is not there anymore. Daddy! Look! Her nose is gone.
What happened to your eyes? You and Lenny have a race. Around.
Babe, show me.
It's not gone. I'm like a fighter.
Lini, no jumping there, anak.
She wants to
No, you're gonna hurt yourself.
Mimi, race. Ready, get ready, go.
No jumping, no jumping. You can just go run.
Lily, come, go.
Go run. Run with Daddy. Daddy, let her down.
Daddy, say ready, get ready, go.
Okay, go, ready, go. There. Lini, that way. Look at Ate.
Running. Race. Race. Ready? So you go. Wait.
Oh.
You going?
It's nearly 4:20, guys. So it's time for our Jurassic World Tour. Ang aming paper bags ay nabut-but. Tingnan niyo. Kailangan ko i-carry ng ganito. Lynn, are you excited to see the Jurassic? Huh?
Excited?
Yes. Ang back po more, tingnan niyo. They were playing outside. Sobrang dungis na. Anak ko! Put your top down, please. Jurassic World. 6 million Lego bricks in the making. Okay, so this is the start, Bob. Wow. But from the biggest to the smallest. The biggest. Oh wow, look at that.
That one with the mark.
What is it?
I'm not sure what it's called, but I know it.
Dart? Yeah, look. There's a whole lot of stuff like on number 4.
Here's our outfit of today, guys. Only have this little bag. Whee! Hawak kami sila dalawa. Yes, look. There. Show your outfit. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay.
What's that?
Daddy, I like it.
Yeah, it's that. T-Rex.
This place before.
Have you?
TV.
On the TV, yeah. Well, now you're here.
We're here and I watch it. And I read it.
Here, give it. Look. Jurassic World.
We're going.
We're going in. Ah.
Okay,
Wow. Yeah, look. Simi soup? Are they wearing simi soup? Look. The beach is very busy. Sobrang ganda nito niya. Tignan niyo. Oh. Flowers. Ito, train. Oh. Yeah, people are waiting for the train. Yeah, it's so cool. What's this one here? Island. That's so nice. Look. What's this one? Really good. Baby dinosaur. Oh my god. Nini, wait here, anak. So can you imagine, guys? These are all made of Legos. What is that? Baby shark? Oh, that's the mom. Look at that. Still got the eggs. So this is like the mommy dinosaur, daddy. And the head is up there. Wow. See the eggs there. Ooh. Nah, Triceratops.
It's not real, right? Looks real.
This one. Triceratops. That is so cool, yeah? Sobrang tagal siguro natapos kung gawin ba.
There's many dinosaurs.
This one. What is that, Ling Ling? What's up there? So there's 8,839 bricks and 274 hours to build this one. So we're done with the Jurassic World, guys. Andito kami ngayon sa, ano ba to? Wild State or something. See? Can you see the kangaroo? See? Snake. There's Ami there. Ooh. Lizards. Cat. What's this one? Bilby. Wallaby. Pelican. Look at this. Spiders, bees, gecko. Ooh, beautiful. Birds. Oh, koala. Look, lady. It's koala bear.
Oh, I love koalas.
See koala bear.
The
Here.
bats.
Here's the koala bear, honey. Look.
Oh, poor baby.
Look at the bat.
And look at
Okay. They're actually closing soon. They'll be closing in 5 minutes, so we're gonna head out.
Hi, baby.
Baby sleeping.
He's dead. He's closing his eyes.
Look at this. Kadakuan ni oy. Sa labas na to siya, guys. Lumabas na kami eh.
Let me jump. Jump.
Lolo, kani ko isa ice cream. What's in here, babe?
Memo, jump.
Careful there, Parsa.
Bye.
What's this one, Mom? The art gallery. What the kuya? Is that the one? Oh no.
That's
We
the
went the other
gallery
one.
of modern art, and that's
Yeah.
art gallery.
Come on. Coming.
I went outside there. I found out the tarantula.
Looks like it. What are you getting? We'll get one in the cup, okay?
Hey.
What?
I want it.
Hi, how are you?
I want it in the case.
Current. What flavor have you got? Brown. It is chocolate. Yes. Gusto niya yung pink. She wanted the pink, but it says sour cherry.
And I got chocolate too, but this is Nutella. That one's different, I think.
Yeah.
Love that.
Maybe that is.
Ito yung sa akin. Salted caramel and white chocolate.
Me, look at her.
Maybe for them?
Dito kami sa sa Morningside na pala, guys. Malapit na kami sa bahay. Dito na lang kami na ice cream. Hindi na kami bumili doon para makauwi na kami.
Caramel up?
Yeah.
Hi guys, we're ready to do our volcano. Our volcano. So we just started now. And it's bananas. Those are the powders that we got. I like the soft one. Because it's so like smooth.
Itong mga batang to, guys, ay Diyos ko, tingnan nyo, nakaligo na to silang dalawa kasi ready for bed na, but ayaw nila akong tantanan dito ba? Oh, remember, ito yung ginawa namin the other day. So,
That
yes,
was
honey.
yesterday. I pulled this.
For this one, eruption powder B, eruption powder A. So we have to figure out how to do this, okay? Shall we put it here?
Mom, Mommy,
You don't want erupting on the table, do you?
Mommy. That's what I said.
Okay, so where's the instruction? We have to do it on the floor, I think.
This is gonna be so exciting. Okay, I'm bringing my little
Excuse me?
friends over here. The bubbling lava is the result of a chemical reaction between the citric acid and sodium bicarbonate in your eruption powder. In this reaction, carbon dioxide gas is created, which builds up pressure in the lava chamber until it bubbles out of the top of the volcano.
The girls are ready. Andito na yung mixture natin, guys. And, andyan ang ating volcano.
Really dangerous. Really tasty. What are you trying for? Okay, that's it. That's it. Sit down. Don't have to do like, no, just what it was to do, huh? No, okay, that's closer. You sit down, please. Girls, you have to sit down. Mimi, lava, fire. Mimi, more. You can stand up now. Come, look at the bubbles. But be careful. And we'll clean the floor. Oh my goodness! Is it a